You have an assistant? Like Batman and Robin. This is your first delivery. We're counting on you. Something wrong with the delivery? Hey, Billy, I don't think you need that brick. Are you okay? Wow! Are you seeing things in double? The robot went crazy! You need to stop him! How are you feeling, Billy? You need to clear the way! Where did the evil robot go? Walter thinks it's SuperTruck. What's wrong, Walter? The robot did that. What's wrong, Carrie? SuperTruck! Carrie thought you were at the ice cream machine. You have an idea to stop him?
Hey.
Time to fix you! A maintenance gun? Cool! Welcome back! Can you help with this delivery? That's SuperTruck's assistant. He's sorry for what happened earlier. Everything is fine. Your assistant is becoming a hero.
Hey, there's Matilda. She looks rather busy. She's chasing after Crocomile. Did he do something wrong? Oh no! Crocomile must have stolen something. Go get him, Matilda! Matilda just drove past Crocomile. She didn't see his disguise. Careful! Crocomile is launching one of his eggs! Oh no! The explosion egg has caused the tunnel to break in, and Matilda is in there. Matilda, watch out for the falling rocks! The shaking has stopped. Maybe you can find a way out, Matilda. Matilda is trapped. You have to help her, SuperTruck. It's time to transform. Super Bulldozer! That's just the vehicle for the job. Great job, SuperTruck. Keep going. Now where is Matilda? Matilda? Seems this one is too heavy, SuperTruck. You can't move it. SuperTruck, where are you going? Oh, I see. You're driving to the other tunnel entrance. This entrance is also closed off with rocks. Listen, that's Matilda's police siren. She must be closer to this side. Good job, SuperTruck. Now the path is free. Oh no! Watch out! Crocomile is throwing another egg! What will you do now, SuperTruck? Can you get out? There's no way out, and the rocks are too heavy to lift. Any ideas? Ah, yes. Let's use the ST-3000. A super drill. That should do the job. You might want to step out of the way, Matilda. Great job, SuperTruck. You've broken the first rock. Let's keep going. Well done. There's just one more big rock in your way. Yes, you did it, SuperTruck. You broke the rocks. Now it's time to get out. You've made it out of the tunnel. It's Crocomile. You have to catch him before he causes more chaos. Don't let him get away! Oh no! Which way did Crocomile go? You want to split up and take two different roads? Crocomile, you won't get away with this! Isn't that the sack that Crocomile has stolen? He can't be far then. Got you! Now, this time you are trapped, Crocomile. Take some time to think about your actions, Crocomile. Time to return the stolen goods. Now the city is safe again. Hello, guys. Enjoying a bowling party? Who's next? Dane, watch out! Are you okay? Looks like the accident changed Dane's mood. He is mad. You need to stop Dane. Time to transform. Super Bulldozer, you have to clean all this mess. Dane, where are you going? Billy and Edna will clean the mess. You need to stop Dane. Be careful! The trash! Oh no! The fire hydrant! This is going to end badly. Dane is bringing chaos to the city. Everything is back to order. Stop it, Dane. We're going to cause a traffic jam. Dane blocked the way. Cars are stuck. Great! The way is clear again. Let's stop this madness. Dane, you need help. SuperTruck is here to help you. Oh no! Fire! And it's surrounding SuperTruck. You need to stop the fire, SuperTruck. Time to transform. That was close, but Dane is still around there and needs help. Dane is destroying the candy shop. SuperTruck to the rescue! Oh, what a mess. Oh no, Dane is attacking Carrie. This goes too far. Mad Dane is attacking you. Time to use the ST-3000. An airbag. You can use it as a shield against Dane's crane. Let's see what you got. Great! The airbag is protecting you, SuperTruck. Dane is attacking Carrie. SuperTruck, use your hose. This should wake Dane up from his madness. It works! Phew! Dane is getting back to normal. Dane, we know you didn't do it on purpose. And you are going to have some help to clean this mess.
Hey, Walter, making a snow car? Did you give it a name? Frosty the Snowman? That's a cool name! Trying to make a snowman too, Crocomile? Maybe Walter can help. Oh no! You can't make snowmen that way! Crocomile, you've got to free Walter! Hey, SuperTruck! A new challenge for Marley? Wait! Cars need your help at the park! There's Crocomile! What is he up to? Watch out! Oh no! He's trying to freeze Amber and Carrie too! Let's secure the girls first! You need to transform! You need to get Carrie and Amber out of the way! Just like Lego. Oh, no! Walter is sliding too! Walter's block needs some adjustment. We need to find Crocomile first. Which way? Ice cubes. Let's go there. What is it, Marley? Crocomile is freezing the city power. Watch out! Thanks, Marley! You're not the only one who can break the ice. Be careful, SuperTruck! You're safe now. You still have someone to help. Last one. Don't hurry. You have plenty of time for making snowmen. Are you constructing a new building? Billy is trapped under some pipes and needs your help. SuperTruck, it's time for you to transform. Can you hold the sneeze, Billy? Work fast, SuperTruck. Billy could sneeze at any moment. Watch out, SuperTruck. Get the ST-3000. Good job, SuperTruck! Thanks to SuperTruck for saving the day. Wow, looks fun. Looking after the babies? Looks tiring. Whoa, looks like something's up. Looks like Massimo had an accident at the tire shop. Oh no! Careful!
What? Hey!
Something has got to be done. Don't worry, SuperTruck is here to help. Nice! Looks tricky. Maybe a transformation is in order. A bulldozer? Awesome! Nice! Uh-oh. Looks like you missed one. Oh no! Do something! The grapple! Awesome! You'll have to try again. Nice! Uh-oh! Phew! Oh, red! Blue! Yellow! Looks like Massimo got some new tires. What do you think, babies? Wow! You have pink and green tires! That's epic! Nice landing, Carl! You better get home and see what's up. Gary was delivering some logs to help build an observatory. Looks like Gary dropped his logs. You shouldn't drive tired. The cars can't get past the logs. Think you can do something, Carl? Think you could move those logs? It looks like they're stuck. Oh, they're stuck in some glue. Any ideas, SuperTruck? A transformation, eh? Great idea! Bulldozer! Now you can scoop those logs up. Nice! SuperTruck, you need to put them in Gary's bin. Wait, Marley, you have an idea?
Hey!
Marley, you can't resist a stunt, can you? Right, we better get these logs to the park. Gary, are you okay? Oh no! The logs rolled out of Gary's bin! Baby, are you okay? Don't worry, baby. SuperTruck can get you out. Don't move, baby. SuperTruck will use his ray. You're welcome, baby. Wait, don't you want to see the observation deck Ben is going to build? Wow! We should have known. Marley can't resist a stunt.
Looks like the construction team is having a break, and Carl came along to play volleyball. Oops. You need to pay better attention, Carl. Uh-oh. Somebody needs SuperTruck. You better go, Carl.
Hey!
Carl, we have a situation at the racing arena. Jerry was going to drive through the super loop, but Ben accidentally spilled glue on the ground, and Jerry drove on it and got stuck upside down inside the loop. You need to save him before he falls off. The glue is everywhere. Ben, watch out! That was close, Ben. You're lucky it was only one wheel. You can't drive on the super glue truck. Otherwise, you'll also get stuck. What's that, SuperTruck? What? This pile of sand. You're saying that if you spread the sand over the glue, it will no longer be sticky? Very well. But how are you going to bring it here? Hang on, Jerry. SuperTruck is coming to the rescue. Yes! The sand neutralized the glue, and it's no longer sticky. Oh, dear. Just look at the sun. It's super hot today. Oh, no. High temperatures melt the glue. Jerry may fall off any time. SuperTruck, do something! Well done, Ben! You're saying this should protect Jerry in case he falls off? Okay, but we can't just wait for him to fall. He is too high, SuperTruck. There is no way you can reach him this way. This isn't working either. I think there's only one thing that can help us. The ST3000. Oh, I see. You're going to use the laser to cut through glue? This way Jerry will free fall onto piles of tires. Genius! Just be careful, SuperTruck. You don't want to strike Jerry with the laser ray. Almost there. Yes! Are you okay, Jerry? Is anything broken? No? That's good. What's the matter, Jerry? Oh, you're worried that the loop has been damaged? Dear, what are we going to do about it? What, SuperTruck? You can clean it. But how? Well done, SuperTruck. You cleaned the loop. Now Jerry can try to drive through it again. Right, Jerry? 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, he did it! Hooray! Thank you, SuperTruck. You saved the day again. Are you having an ice cream eating competition? Whoa! Looks like you got brain freeze! Brain freeze can slow you down, right? Walter, you got it bad! Hey, Carl, looks like there's a problem. You better go check it out. Whoa! Looks like Billy got hypnotized by the rhythm of Dane's ball. Oh no! Billy's been hypnotized to destroy everything in sight! You'd better stop him before he does something dangerous. Dane, what happened? You told him to wreck it all. Oh, you were talking about your construction project? Billy must have thought you meant everything in the city because he was hypnotized. Right, let's clean up the city and stop Billy. Wow, Billy sure did a lot of damage. Massimo, are you okay? You fell on a banana skin. Don't worry, SuperTruck will stop Billy. Whoa, Jerry, look out! Oh no, looks like someone's trapped. Walter, are you okay? Oh, your hat protected you. Must be pretty hard. What? Billy is heading for the power crystal. SuperTruck, he's heading for the power crystal. If he hits it, the city is done for. Right, Walter. SuperTruck needs to slow Billy down. Slow down. Brain freeze can slow you down, right? Of course. You can use the freeze ray. Billy, this is for your own good. Yes! Wow! The brain freeze cured his hypnosis. Billy, you were hypnotized. SuperTruck cured you with brain freeze. SuperTruck, it's happening again! You'd better do something! Oh, it's a hypnosis show! Billy is hypnotized to think Walter is an ice cream? Look out, Walter!